What are you doing in there? Did you get stuck? Did you crawl in there? Dog? This is your new stroller. And you crawled in the bottom. Is that where you're going to ride from now on? Can you get out? Oh, are you stuck in there? That's not how you're supposed to ride in it. That's not how you ride in the new stroller.